This is what's gonna happen.
So
Justin.
we are gonna do storytelling now. So Justin again. Bro, this Justin song, we can't deal with this. So what just happened was, this is like a storytelling vlog, okay? Why are we starting with, so, our car just broke down.
Guys, so on the 25th night at 12 o'clock, literally the car broke down and it wasn't starting at all. We were traumatized, hypnotized, scared for our life because we were nowhere in Montenegro and it was just us three girls. So we were like, oh my god, what are we supposed to do? And then Shalaka's mind operated a little bit and she thought of booking cab, and then we are like, let's figure this in the morning. Yeah, that's how it went. It was traumatizing. Oh my god. Can't.
I don't think so they'll believe, no? Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the proof. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the
I'll tell you what to do. I did, and everyone does the reaction. I did it like that.
So guys, we just came by cab. Thankfully Shalaka used her brain.
Once in a while.
And then, bro, there's no one to, help us out or anything. The fuck, like, Yashaswini.
Sorry.
Yeah, and then shameless us, we are drinking
Hello.
wine right now, and it's Pinot Grigio. This is one of the strong wines, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, it
You
is.
said it's nice?
It is nice,
For real
amazing,
right now?
but it's strong.
We're not going to wake up.
Bro, we should. Then our car. Thankfully, we have parked our car in some good
Parking space.
Good parking space. Other place, we would have gotten ticket then extra 60 euros.
My birthday.
Put my birthday.
What was the car was worth for this song?
No, just before the car broke
A
down.
few minutes before the car broke down.
Bro. And then we were stranded. The storm, the fucking rain. It was really bad.
There was a severe
Yeah.
rain warning.
Yeah. And the car was just shaking. Oh my god. It was really bad. Guys, you might be thinking, how is she doing this? Is she some kurki? No. I am not.
Yes.
I have just cleared my bar, test. That's how I've done that.
No. She went to one store, she saw one Jack Daniels this big bottle, and she's like, we should get that and they should actually put a tap to it so we can drink whatever we want.
Oh my god.
Bro, and then I'm still scared for tomorrow. Are we getting new car or are we using this car itself?
Oh god, yeah. At this point, I want to take flight from Tivat itself and go back.
And then she's talking about massage tomorrow.
I can't, bro. This trip has been full of ups only. Sorry, so many downs. There was no up.
Yeah, happy birthday to me. Such an eventful birthday.
Woo! Saw all 4 seasons, saw all 4 weathers.
Yeah.
Our car broke down in the middle of a storm.
Yeah, fuck.
We got drenched. Oh
Extremely
my God.
drenched, you guys.
We
Like,
ate bad food.
yeah. Oh.
We saw yachts that we can't afford right now.
Yeah. It was like not even billion or I don't know what. Beyond billion, what do we have?
It's billion.
$billion.
Trillion.
The net
Trillion.
worth was only 14 billion something. I mean, on Google, I have no idea.
Whatever.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna buy one.
Let's edit this part out.
Why, bro?
I just think this is Yeah,
Okay.
enough.
What was the sound?
Strong.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಕ್ಕ
ನನಗಿದು ಬಿಸ್ಕಿ what is this? Yeah, cheers to us not losing hope and still trying to figure out,
Wait.
because in a world full of
hopeless people.
hopeless people.
We are
Hopeless
three.
drunkards.
No bro, car, it's the car.
Oh shit, we were talking about the car. Cheers.
What was that? You did not finish the sentence.
Cheers.
In a world full of wait, let's drink. In a world full of
Hopeless people.
no,
Mm.
where this is a man ruling world, people don't, trust, girls driving car.
Mm.
Right? But we are doing something here. That's what I mean. I don't know how to word it properly, but this is how it is.
ನಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
It's not.
I don't know who is.
Bro, they'll put no woman, teacup, coffee cup. Like this is the tea sort of woman. What? That.
I don't understand which meme are you referring to.
ಈಗ ನೋಡು ಒಂದು ವುಮೆನ್ ಶಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್ ಶಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಇದು ಅನ್ಕೋ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕುಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ ದೆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ರೈಟ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಕಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಟೀ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ
Like, of course, a woman did this.
ಯಾ
A woman is driving a car.
Yeah, but here we are in some random country where there's extreme rain
And snow.
and then freaking I don't know what fog, not even fog bro, smog. It's literally like smoke and fog. You can't even see the road bro, like oh my god, it was bad.
Yeah.
We have managed something, so it's not always that.
I look dead because I am sleep deprived.
Oh my god.
But the only
Look at this picture.
fresh one.
Yeah, she was looking at you and you're like,
Tomato cosita. Tomato cosita. Bro, we could have watched one movie.
we can do that in let's
Talk a little bit. Bro, that car. Oh my god, light on man. Bunny, you shouldn't on the light like this. On the light like this and keep the phone like this. I'm like, sister, we have better things to do here. Light she's concerned about and then I'm thinking. Bro, this fucking gear is not going to freaking reverse or neutral. Gear in there.
ಇನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ
It was a story time.
And bro, I thought I would get some nice food, like different cuisines, not Indian, very Italian. Yappa, I'm like need some spicy food, bro. Mexican, I would be so happy with some taco. I was craving for tacos since like the day one, since airport I was craving for tacos.
I think I'm drunk already.
Drunk on life. Drunk on all this. Shalaka is like full on, let's just go with our own pace, fun. Bro, this is like extreme.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I'm just like living. Justin!
that dialogue. I'm a liver.
Shalaka is a liver. Because she lives.
I'm living.
I think I'm
No.
a survivor. I'm surviving. Oh my god, you can see the view from here.
The view from the living room, I'm gonna show you. Wow, it's like jewels, sparkling jewels, literally sparkling. Wow, so beautiful. I'll be mad at the universe, not at the people.
As long as she ain't mad at us.
So the thing is, the car key battery was low,
Yeah.
so I locked the car. No,
Yeah.
I locked.
Yeah.
I locked like thrice.
You did lock. I didn't see that.
Yeah, you locked. Justin!
No wonder we did so much time the battery went off.
Facts. So many retakes we did.
Yeah.
Of course, that car shut down.
So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog rest of the 3 minutes for tomorrow. I'm gonna show all the process. Guys, if they take extra money, I'm telling you, I'm I'm gonna be so
Guys,
mad.
moral of the story. Don't leave the car on while making wheels. Switch off the car and make
Yes.
wheels.
Don't on the car and make wheels. Off.
Yeah.
Off the car.
But finish the reel. Even if there's a storm going on your car is shaking, finish the fucking reel.
Yeah. And then after that, for story time, do a vlog.
Oh my god.
Our priorities in life right now.
And actually, we have to wake up tomorrow 8 o'clock and call the car company. But look at it.
And what's the time right now? 3. Yeah. And we're drinking.
And that means wine before
Crime.
crime.
I don't know. Before.
I'm not stealing someone's car.
I don't know. I just stole my mind out.
Wine
Before men. She told her mind out. I'm done with them. And you? Why before? Dumb people.
I would choose anything over dumb people. Why is it wine?
ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's it for the storytelling. 5 minutes, it's almost like 16 minutes now. People who don't want to listen so much, so yeah, we're just cutting the video and then we're gonna show you tomorrow, whatever happens. Yeah,
So,
okay.
bye guys. Bye. See you.
Guys, so we finally, our car is working. Yay! We did some jugaad, but at the end of the day, what matters? Not the tension, not everything. It's about the car working and you going to the place you want to go. Yeah, that's it. And look at the view. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Bro, I feel like we are going on top of the mountain. Why? Just kidding.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.